In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Earth Pro on your laptop or computer. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type Download Google Earth Pro and press Enter. You should see the official Google Earth page show up near the top of the search results. Look for the result that clearly says it's from Google and mentions Earth Pro or Download Earth Pro for desktop. Then click on that link to go to the official download page. Once the page loads, you'll see information about Google Earth Pro and a download button for desktop. Make sure it actually says Google Earth Pro and that you're on the official Google site. When you're sure you're in the right place, click the download button. A small window might pop up asking you to agree to the terms of service. Take a moment to glance through them. Then click Accept and Download, or the equivalent button to continue. Your browser will now begin downloading the installer file. You'll usually see this in the bottom bar of your browser or in your Downloads area. Wait for the download to finish. This might take a few seconds or longer depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder or click directly on the downloaded file from within your browser. The file name will typically include Google Earth Pro Setup. Double-click that file to start the installation process. If your computer asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes, click Yes to continue. The Google Earth Pro Setup window will appear. You may be asked to choose an install location or simply be given an install button. In most cases, you can leave the default settings as they are. Click Install, then wait while the program is copied and set up on your computer. This may take a minute or two. When the installation finishes, you'll usually see an option to launch Google Earth Pro right away. Click Finish or Close, and if there's a box that says Launch Google Earth Pro, make sure it's checked. Google Earth Pro will open, and you're ready to start exploring the globe. From now on, you can open Google Earth Pro just like any other program, using your desktop shortcut or your Start menu or search bar. That's all you need to successfully download and install Google Earth Pro on your laptop or computer.